checked.
Hello everyone. This is Mackenzie here with another little video. This one's gonna be kind of short and sweet, but I wanted to show you guys something. Now this only applies to the Android users. So as you guys can tell, Google TTS has now gotten majorly updated. So listen to this. Wait.
Weather, in-page, Washington, search, Google search button, Google app button.
It is a little
Double tap
laggy.
to activate.
It is a little bit laggier than, I don't know, like eSpeak or whatever. But I switched to it last night while me and another friend were looking at Google TTS. And now we can even use it with TalkBack, which I didn't think my phone was going to be able to support it. But it actually did. I didn't think TalkBack was going to be able to use it. And I'll even show you. Hang on. Come here. Where are you, TalkBack menu?
TalkBack menu. Double
Start
tap
virtual.
to activate.
Stop record.
Shush. Not.
Copy last spoken phrase. Hides. Voice command. TalkBack. Text to speech.
Now, unfortunately, it has this weird glitch, guys, where if you're gonna have it say a different, dialect of English, it defaults to the US variant, and I don't know why. But this is a glitch. Hopefully, Google will be able to fix this.
Braille displays. Text to speech.
Come here, text to speech.
Double tap to act. One UI home. Text to speech. Double tap to act. Play button. Reset button. Play. 20%. Pitch. 15. Speech rate. Language. Use system language 2 of 5. Preferred engine speech recognition. Google
I
TTS
can show
options.
you guys.
Double tap to activate.
Come here.
Install voice data. Google TTS voice data. Double tap to act. Google TTS. More options. L. Air. S. Bunk.
We're going to use just
Photo,
the US
Bos.
English
Bulgaria,
voices for
Canton,
the time
Cattle. China.
being.
Chinese Taiwan 12 of 8.
But
Croatia. Czechia. Danish. Dutch Belt. Dutch Nether. English Australia. English India. English Nigeria. English United States 23 of 80.
I'm surprised they never
Double tap
got
to activate.
different dialects of English besides English, Scottish, and them, because Google TTS does not have those options yet. Come here.
Estonian. English India 20 of 8.
Whoops.
English United States 23 of 80.
Come here.
English United States voices. Double tap to activate. English voice I 1 of 8 in list 8 items. Selected radio button. Play sample. Voice 2 of 8.
So yeah,
to
I'm using
activate.
voice 1. I can show you guys.
Not selected. Voice 7 of 8.
Whoops.
Double tap. Play sample. Not selected. Voice IV. Not select. Voice 3. Double tap to activate.
You scrolled a bit too much there, TalkBack.
Play sample. Not selected. Voice 2. Voice 2. Selected radio button.
See, this one has this one's had a higher quality version since I don't know when, but
Voice 2. Play sample. Not selected. Voice I. Voice I. Double tap to activate.
Until now, we never had a higher quality version of this one voice that used to be default on other Android versions. But now we actually do, and I'm using her right now. But anyways, I've shown you voice 2 already, so I'm just going to skip ahead to voice 3.
Selected. Play sample. Voice 2, 2 of 8. Play sample. Voice 3, 3 of 8. Double tap to activate. Voice 3. Double. Selected. Radio button. Play sample text for voice 3 button.
This
Double
one's the
tap to
new
activate.
default. This one's the new default on Google TTS. I'm not too sure why, but
Voice IV 4 of 8.
voice 4.
Double tap to activate.
This one's had a higher quality version since whenever.
Voice I, 1 of 8. Not selected. Play sample. Voice 3, 3 of 8. Not. Play sample. Voice IV, 4 of 8.
You know,
Double tap to activate.
now that we actually can use these higher quality versions, I wouldn't mind using Google TTS as a daily driver, except for the fact that if I was to use Google Assistant, yeah, we're going to have huge problems there.
Selected. Radio button. Play sample. Voice V, 5 of 8. Double tap to activate.
Now, this one has also had a higher quality version since whenever it got.
Voice 2, 2 of 8. Not. Play sample text for voice 2 button.
New notification from
Double
suggested.
tap to activate.
But yeah, this is another one of these voices that has had a higher quality version since, like, whenever Google decided to,
Voice 3. Play sample text for voice 8 button. Double tap
Whoa,
to
whoa,
activate.
whoa, you scrolled too far there, TalkBack.
Not selected. Radio button. Place. Selected. Radio button. Voice V, 6 of 8.
This
Double
one's
tap
had
to
a higher
activate.
quality version as well.
Voice 3, 3 of 8. Double tap to activate.
Now this one, yeah, these ones have been majorly updated. Huge. There are, it's higher quality than it used to be, which I'm going to assume, you guys, that this is a neural engine thing.
Not place voice IV 4 of 8. Place voice V 5 of 8. Not play voice V 6 of 8. Select place voice 7 7 of 8.
Here's this one.
Double tap to activate.
Voice IV, 4 of 8. Double tap to activate.
This one's had a higher quality version since whenever.
Not selected.
And
Radio
last
button.
but not
Play
least,
Voice. Not select. Play sample. Voice V. Not. Voice 7. Play. Voice 8, 8 of 8.
Voice V 5 of 8. Not selected. Radio button. Voice V 6 of 8. Not selected. Radio button. Play sample text for voice 7 7 of 8. Double tap to activate. Not selected. Place. Voice. Place. English United States. Voice I 1 of 8. And list 8 items.
I'm going to switch back
Double
to
tap
this
to
one.
activate. Voice 8 8 of 8. Double tap.
Whoops.
Navigate up button out of English. Voice I not selected. Radio button. Selected. Radio button.
This
Labels
one,
available. Use tap with 3 fingers to view.
I like this one. This one, she is, she sounds a lot better than she used to. I'll say it here right now. She sounds a lot better than she used to. Here, let me just go.
Home button out of list. When UI home. Double tap to activate.
So, yeah. Well, that's all I wanted to show you guys, but Matt, if you want to take a look at this, I mean, like, I know you're not a huge fan of Google TTS, that's kind of me too, but, like, the lower quality Google TTS, but this is actually better. Like, try it on your phone, on one of your devices, Matt. Either your Moto or your Samsung or your whatever. But try it on one of these phones and see if it works on your TalkBack. It should, because surprisingly, it works on mine. Last night, I had a look at this. Google TTS needed speech recognition and synthesis from Google had an update last night. So I was like, you know what? Let's go and update this. And sure enough, we got this, and now we can use these voices on TalkBack again. And I mean the higher quality versions. No more jumping through hoops just to get these higher quality voices. No more jumping through hoops. Thanks, Google, for finally realizing it. And also thanks for giving me a higher quality version of this voice. She's kind of one of my favorites over here. Yeah, she's like...
Stop record.
Yeah, like, what do you guys think? I think it's awesome and just better than it was. But yes, I do like this voice that's actually better because it's not stuck to the low quality version anymore, which means we can now use the new algorithm of Google TTS, and this also means for those of you guys who are who rely on different languages that use TalkBack, you guys can use these voices now. Because I know that there are some voices that are specific to the neural engine. And now you guys can use these now because it's not limited to the other quality, which is just not the best. Alright guys, I think I'm going to wrap things up. So I will see you guys in another video. Bye!